the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition. This isn't just another incremental upgrade or a lazy color swap to make you spend more cash. This is a radical reimagining of what a compact, intelligent camera can actually do. If you think you've seen everything the action and 360-degree camera world has to offer, you need to clear your mind right now, because this pristine, futuristic powerhouse is about to change the game entirely. When you first lay eyes on the Ultra White Edition, it hits you instantly. It looks less like a piece of standard tech and more like a prop lifted straight from a multi-million-dollar science fiction movie. The chassis features a stunning, matte ultra-white finish that feels incredibly premium to the touch. But this design choice isn't just about turning heads on the street, although it absolutely will do that. Insta360 engineered this specific chassis with an advanced, aerospace-grade thermal reflective coating. If you have ever shot high bitrate 8K video under a blazing summer sun, you know the absolute nightmare of the dreaded overheating screen. You're right in the middle of a perfect shot, and suddenly the camera shuts down. With the Luna Ultra White Edition, that frustration is officially history. This specialized coating actively reflects solar radiation, keeping the internal processors remarkably cool even during grueling, extended shoots. It's elegant, it's tough, and it's built to survive the harshest elements you can throw at it. But as beautiful as the outside is, the real magic happens deep within the machine. At the absolute heart of this beast lies a revolutionary dual-sensor array that completely shatters previous low-light performance standards. Historically, 360-degree cameras have had a massive Achilles heel. The moment the sun goes down, or the moment you step indoors under challenging lighting, the footage turns into a grainy, muddy mess. The Luna Ultra White Edition completely solves this problem. By combining massive, upgraded stack sensors with a custom-engineered, dedicated artificial intelligence neural processor, this camera pulls light out of absolute darkness. When you shoot a night cityscape or a campfire scene under the stars, the AI instantly analyzes the frame, isolating noise and preserving rich, vibrant textures without artificial sharpening. The highlights stay crisp, the shadows retain deep, beautiful detail, and the overall image looks breathtakingly cinematic. Let's talk about stabilization, because this is where things get genuinely mind-blowing. Insta360 has always been a pioneer in keeping footage smooth, but what they have packed into this unit feels like actual witchcraft. They call it Quantum Flow Stabilization. Instead of just relying on a standard internal gyroscope to patch things up after the fact, the camera utilizes real-time predictive algorithms. It literally anticipates the direction of your movement milliseconds before it actually happens. Whether you're sprinting down a rocky mountain trail, riding a dirt bike through brutal terrain, or hanging out a moving vehicle, the horizon stays perfectly locked and fluid. It eliminates that jarring, nauseating jitter completely, giving you footage that looks like it was captured by a massive, thousands of dollars Hollywood camera rig on a mechanical gimbal, all from a device that fits right in the palm of your hand. Now, you might be wondering how a camera this compact handles the sheer volume of data required for ultra-high-resolution, uncompressed recording. This is where the engineering team truly flexed their muscles. The Luna Ultra White Edition introduces an entirely new, highly efficient proprietary codec. This breakthrough allows you to capture pristine, high bitrate video with staggering color depth without immediately maxing out your storage or melting your computer during the editing process. When you drop this footage into your editing software, it handles the files beautifully. The dynamic range gives you unparalleled freedom to color grade, allowing you to pull out deep, moody blues from the sky or rich, warm tones from a sunset without breaking the image apart. But what good is a perfect visual if the audio sounds like you are recording inside a tin can? Audio has traditionally been an afterthought for portable cameras, forcing creators to buy bulky, expensive external microphones and wireless receivers. The Luna Ultra White Edition changes that narrative completely. Integra, TED around the sleek white body, is a sophisticated, four-way spatial microphone array. This system doesn't just record sound, it maps the entire acoustic environment around you. If a car speeds past your left shoulder, the audio tracks it perfectly across the soundstage. Even better, the onboard AI features an incredibly powerful wind reduction algorithm. It can distinguish between the ambient sounds you actually want to capture, like your voice or the environment, and the harsh, roaring wind rushing past the lenses. The result is crystal clear, directional audio right out of the camera, saving you hours of tedious post-processing work. Let's dive into the user experience, because a piece of technology is only as good as its interface. The Luna Ultra White Edition features a remarkably bright, hyper-responsive edge-to-edge touch display. Even under direct, blinding sunlight, the screen remains perfectly visible, showing you exactly what you are capturing with pinpoint accuracy. The user interface has been completely redesigned from the ground up to be lightning fast and entirely intuitive. There are no deeply buried menus or confusing technical jargon to slow you down when you're trying to capture a fleeting, once-in-a-lifetime moment. With a simple swipe or a quick voice command, you can switch modes instantly. And yes, the voice control on this unit is exceptionally accurate, recognizing commands effortlessly even over the roar of rushing water or loud ambient crowd noise. One of the most slept-on aspects of this new ecosystem is the seamless integration with their updated smartphone and desktop app. The app leverages the full power of your phone's processor to make editing 360-degree content incredibly fast and surprisingly fun. You don't need to spend hours keyframing transitions or manually tracking subjects. The intelligent subject tracking feature allows you to simply tap on a person, an animal, or a fast-moving object, and the software will perfectly lock onto them, keeping them dead center in the frame no matter how chaotic the movement gets. It gives you the power of an entire camera crew and a professional editor, all running smoothly inside your pocket. Battery life has also received a massive, much-needed overhaul. There is nothing worse than being out on an epic adventure, miles away from civilization, only to have your camera die after 45 minutes of shooting. The Ultra White Edition introduces a next-generation high-density battery cell that extends shooting times significantly. Furthermore, it features incredibly fast charging capabilities via its weatherproofed USB port. You can plug it into a portable power bank during a quick break, and by the time you're ready to move again, you have enough juice to carry you through the rest of the day. When you look at the entire package, it becomes clear that this is not just a tool for professional filmmakers or extreme sports athletes. It is built for anyone who wants to preserve their memories in the absolute highest quality possible, without the gear getting in the way of the experience. It removes the stress of framing, the worry of bad lighting, and the fear of shaky footage. You simply hit record, live completely in the moment, and let this incredible piece of technology handle the rest. The Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition isn't just a step forward for the company. It is a giant leap for creative freedom. It challenges us to look at the world differently, to capture our stories without limits, and to create content that genuinely leaves people breathless. Right now, the Insta360 Luna Ultra has been the worst-kept secret in the pocket camera world for weeks. In April, Insta360 teased the Luna series behind frosted glass at NAB 2026 in April. Select creators got hands-on time with pre-production units. Then on May 11th, 2026, X-Account at Giramer posted clean product shots. Those shots confirm what spec sheet leaks had been hinting at for a month. In short, two pieces of news matter here. First, the Insta360 Luna Ultra packs a dual-lens system co-engineered with Leica. The whole rig fits into a pocket-sized 3-axis gimbal body. Second, the entire handle, including the OLED touchscreen, detaches from the gimbal head. It then works as a wireless remote with live view. Nothing on the shelf next to the DJI Pocket 4 or the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 does that today. For starters, Insta360 has not posted official pricing or a launch date on its own site. Weaver, retail box leaks, supplier pre-sale sheets, and a marketing tempo that lines up with a summer travel push all point to a June 2026 global release. The price will land in the $599 to $735 band, depending on which leak you trust. To begin with, the Insta360 Luna Ultra splits into two pieces. For a start, one side holds the 3-axis gimbal head with both lenses, the main battery, and the imaging stack. In addition, the other side is the handle, and Insta360 has crammed an entire control surface into it. Specifically, on the handle you get the 2-inch OLED touchscreen, the red record button, a joystick, a D-pad, 2 customizable function buttons, and a status LED. A magnetic multi-pin connector locks it to the gimbal head. Snap them together, and you have a pocket camera. Pop them apart, and the handle becomes a wireless controller with live view. Furthermore, once detached, the handle streams a 4K 30 frames per second live view feed. On top of that, it also shows recording info, zoom level, and settings. I have shot the Ace Pro 2 from a hood mount with the screen 6 feet out of reach more times than I want to admit. As a result, watching the framing app on my phone stutter and time out is a familiar problem. In short, a handle that lives in your palm and shows the actual sensor feed fixes the exact issue that nags me on every shoot. How the detachable handle compares to rivals. By comparison, DJI's frame tap controller on the Osmo Mobile 8P is the nearest thing on the market. However, it is a separate puck that pairs with a different camera. Insta360 baked the controller into the camera itself, which is a cleaner answer if the magnetic connector holds up under field use. Even better, retail packaging images first reported by Notebook Check describe a detachable magnetic remote with an integrated OLED display, joystick, and 8K video support. That report moved the feature from rumor to confirmed.